Where are we? Where are we?
I don't know.
Where are we?
Sidewalk.
No, what town? What are we doing?
We're in Columbus.
Yeah, for what?
A band.
What band?
Dog Talk.
Dog Talk?
Dog Talk, Dog Talk, Dog Talk.
Or, wait. No, that wasn't.
Daddy.
Hello, Emily. What?
Daddy, it's on.
I know. Excuse me.
La fière musique se répandait. Sur la piste, les danseurs collaient ses rêves.
What are you doing? Why are you doing?
It's hard to get yourself something to drink, cause there's a party in the street. Now this is a city that never really sleeps. Oh, unlike you know, it's a kind of way that you never get no sleep. Cause I know what you're thinking. Somebody might drink. I thought that lifestyle I enjoy. The pace is slow, and my tongue is tied, and that's no lie. Looking in your eyes, girl. You say you're looking in your big brown eyes. And I wanna say to you, girl, I wanna make you.
Hello, Emily.
You're under our stairs.
Oh, I see. Look out.
Yes, go sit in the corner.
Oh, thank you.
Hello. So, is there another band?
Yeah, Color Grove.
Hey, Turkey.
Hi.
Celtic rock thing.
Hello.
Hey, stop it.
All right, bye-bye. I'm
Thank
a
you.
national police girl.
Let's see your badge.
Yeah.
Yep, sure enough. You're crazy.
You're under arrest.
Whoa! You're a deputy police person.
Junior.
What are the charges? What did I do wrong?
Go sit in the corner.
No problem.